Look at that. You see that?
That's so cute.
So, okay, so now to double secure this, I am gonna using a bestie. Cannot use condensed by itself. Blossom Queen. The best to do is condensed glue gels with the no wipe top coat. So then it's not only to completely seals when you are done, also it double secure your crystals. So make sure your crystal will stay on a good like 2 to 3 weeks or longer. So I'm gonna add it some on to double secure and make sure I check on the edges of the crystal. You don't want to put it on the top of the crystal. Just walk around with this. If you feel scratchy, you are going to squeeze. Each time you're going to squeeze just a little bit like that. You want to use enough. You don't want to be too much, then it's going to flood your crystals. So here for 60 seconds. And this one is super cute and it's ready for me. So I'm going to seal right on the top, especially with the metal beads. You are going to do it right on the top, the metal beads. You do not want to do it on the top of your crystal. So with this super fancy or gorgeous cute centerpiece, I am going to seal them all in and all around, not on the stone though. Crystal though, but around the frame, all the frame and the beads, and then on the edges of the crystal. And definitely if you want to go, like if you're using a bigger crystal, which is like a 3D pointed back, and if you need to go back and do it again, definitely do apply it one time with your is precision glue gel first, and then cure for 10 to 30 seconds, flash cure, and then go back and apply another layers again. You don't want to squeeze so much in it. It's gonna flood your crystals, and also it's gonna run everywhere. So after you're done with this, it might makes lumpy, bumpy after you cure. So cure for 60 seconds. Just 1 second. And then 60 seconds completely. Yeah. And then full cure. And don't lose a red cap. That's okay, Queen, Blossom Queen. You can definitely get another. You can get another order. All right. So here is the final looks for this one. And the first one, I'm going to recap this. I did the first nails. We did is really cool and really simple. I promise it's gonna be so simple. So I did the first nails. I did using is number 17 is the bubble gums, and then I used the 40 frozen nails and 40 gels, and just 2 colors, the frozens and emerald, to make it the cute flowers. And I did use is glow in the darks crystal to finish this look. And then on the second nails, I did this colors is yellow sun, and I use this foil. If you don't have a fusioning, definitely this foil is gonna be your bestie. I loving it. You can see the veins right there. It's number 70 is purple set, and it's right here. I just use one of them, but there are so many. I can't wait to use this. This one butterflies on the lace, purples, and this is give me some cool idea of kind of abstracts designs. And this is another marblings, and this is the feather, rainbow feather. Looks super adorable. Oh, definitely, Mama Vicks, I'm gonna save it for you, for everyone. So here is the final look.